एक सध्या रुमर चालू हा, कॅन गोवा फॉरवर्ड डू अलायन्स विथ बीजेपी, प्री अलायन्स किंवा पोस्ट अलायन्स. पोस्ट अलायन्स आम्ही पयल्ली हा 2017.
पयलीं हे म्हाका कितें आसा तेजो आन्सर तुजे कडेन आहा. सी तो कन्फ्युजन जी जाला, सडनली जी जाला, हांव सदांच म्हणटा गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो लिडर सदांच म्हणटालो माय alliance is till 2027
With whom?
with the Congress.
Okay.
I am a pre-poll alliance, I am with the Congress, I will be with the Congress. Till 2027, not after 2027 election called. He was very guarded in his statement. Then he said, how can I have an alliance with BJP? This is a ploy that has put to taint him. Fair enough. Nobody can taint anybody, provided you have made opportunities for others to look with you with suspect. Now, the question put to Babu, what you are asking is to Damu, was whether there will be an alliance with the Go Forward. He said, he was very clear that we will look at the yogiya time actually, appropriate time.
सीटा मिळणार जाल्यार करवाची.
No. त्याचे सांगप कितें ते योग्य टाइम इज आफ्टर द इलेक्शन्स.
Okay.
Because that has been the parampara. No, Vijay is not a fool to say that I will have an alliance with BJP. He said, "Apun Uttarakhand, apun ekto aslo tinga 20 साल I could have joined." That is nonsense, please. Nobody wanted you. Reginald ran there immediately. Anton Kamkar went there, and the two MGP were there. Why will they take you? For what they'll take you? So don't tell us that you have remained out, though you had an opportunity. You had no opportunity. The opportunity now the BJP is playing with him.
बीजेपी अलायन्स करपाची कितें गरज आसा? when they can do defection directly.
They will do that.
समाधान.
See, the whole idea is use these people to destroy the opposition. Now already there is a confusion. What is going to happen? People's sentiment is what was people are look at people are खूप राहले. People are sentiment आले कि you should have not supported the BJP
in 2017.
in 2017. Where BJP sentiment and all you care for? Now you are come after now you see 2022 you had an alliance. Your position from 3 came to down 1. But people are not trusting. Neither the Congress, neither this. And 2020 became clear what the Chotnikar has done, how the whole thing was acted like a bus conductor's tickets. So where is the question?
सो खंय आम्ही जेन्ना पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट केल्लो आमचो टॉपिक आसलो रिजनल फ्रंट्स. म्हळ्यार रिजनल फ्रंट्स आर ओनली मेंट फॉर अ पर्सनल गेन.
पर्सनल सर्वायवल.
म्हणजे तू लोकांचे तांकां कांय पडलेलें ना.
ना पडलेले आसलेले खंय जालें. लोकांचे एक जाला विश्वास जे आता पळय लोक इतलो बेजार आसा बीजेपीचेर. They are playing all tricks, the BJP, to create confusion in the opposition camp. And why the opposition camp there is confusion? हे 3 आमदार जी काँग्रेसाचे विजयाचे थंय दर खंय आता काल पण एक फोटो येयला विश्वजीत राणेच्या घरा भायर काँग्रेसीचो आमदार.
गिरीशन ऑलरेडी म्हटलें ही हॅज नॉट डन डिफेक्शन. विश्वजीत राणे तो खंय रिजायन करून गेला आणि मागीर जॉईन जाला बीजेपीन अशें ताणें ऑलरेडी स्टेटमेंट केल्लें आहा.
So
ही इज नॉट अ डिफेक्टर.
so he can take him also. Under no stretch of imagination is Vishwajit going to join the Congress before the election. I will leave politics and go home.
आता तुमकां आता कमिंग बॅक टू हे 3 जे रिजनल फ्रंट्स उरतात. MGP धवळीकर आनी फॅमिलीची पार्टी जावन जाल्ली.
धवलीकर आणि फॅमिली फकत तिका 2 मिनिस्ट्री मेळ्ळी चल्लो. तेंचे पळय तेंच्यांनी फकत 2 मिनिस्ट्री घेतले उरलेले तिसऱ्याक भायर धरलो मरे तेन्ना आमचो हो आहलो एक्स पुलीस वॉट इज हिज नेम मामलेदार. तो भायर उरलो मरे 2 जाण जाले मिनिस्टर.
गोवा फॉरवर्ड आता ते म्हणटा खंय तरी बीजेपी वांगडा अलायन्सचे टॉक्स आसात. सो हाव यू सी बीजेपी, हाव यू सी MGP in 2027 election or maybe December
2027 MGP will be with the BJP.
With the BJP or
100%.
Or if
Because see, now you see, they are tightening the MGP, BJP, they are सारखे त्यांच्या हातीन हात आता सी आता ते इलेक्ट्रिसिटी राव स्मार्ट मीटर्स एक्सेस बिल्स चीफ मिनिस्टर मेक्स अ स्टेटमेंट ही कुड हॅव कॉल्ड सुधीर धावलीकर अँड टोल्ड हिम बाबा हे होल्डार दर
स्क्रॅप करू.
तेणे आपणच केलें वॉट इज द मिनींग तूं चूप आता लोक कितें म्हणटा सीएमान केलें म्हण
तुमकां दिसना खंय तरी सीएम अशें स्टेटमेंट करपाक हॅबिच्युअल जाला म्हणून
नॉट हॅबिच्युअल दॅट्स अ पॉलिटिकल कार्ड What happened?
एवरी टाइम कितें तरी आमी फाटीं उलयलें एज्युकेशन जाता मागीर गव्हर्नमेंट किंवा
No, that's his political card. That is his job.
So MGP is going to remain with
They can do nothing.
with BJP in 2027.
Yes, they have no choice.
They have no choice.
No choice.
ची दारोलकर वतला MGP बरोबर का BJP वयतलो
According to me, he will go on BJP.
ऑन BJP. सो BJP कडे कितली सिटां उरतली? एक सुदीन ढवळीकर विनिंग
MG कडे?
MGP
तो आता प्रियरी जो तो गेली
रिझर्व
गेली. So he's trying to go for Shiroda.
ओके
But Shiroda, you must understand, in an alliance talks, Shiroda is already a sitting BJP
सीट
seat. So it will be difficult.
गोवा फॉरवर्ड तुम्ही कशें पळयता इन 2027 इलेक्शन
Go forward is
एकूच येता ते 4 जातात ते 5
No,
जातात
no, you can't get 4, 5. With the Congress alliance, ताका तो सगळी मस्ती हांव आयकता ही जाल्यार कित्याक ताका म्हटलं खंय तुका एकूच सीट दिला आमी alliance
तशें काँग्रेसीन म्हटलां
अशें म्हणून आयकता हांव पयलें
आनी काँग्रेस कितली जिखपाची आहा
काँग्रेस आहा न्हू कितले पयलीं इकपाचें आहा ते जिखपाचें मागीर सगळें तेजेर आहा न्हू
ओके
बिकॉज सी एवरीबडी तो सांगता आपणाक दाखय म्हणटा तो कोणें एकट्यान पासून तो आपणाक
तिकीट विकला
विकले हांव ताका प्रश्न दुसरो घालता तूं जॉब स्कॅम म्हणून बॉब मारता एकट्याक हाड एकटे तरी फुडें आपणे पयशे दिल्या आनी आपणाक सर्वीसमॅन हाड अशें म्हणना तुका लोक
काँग्रेस ही एक रिजनल पार्टी जाली हें दिसना तुमकां गोंयान
ही रिजनल पार्टीकीन बस आहा एक सेंट्रल पार्टी आनी आयज आतां युरी सांगता स्टेटमेंट केला अबाउट द एलायन्स हायकमांड वील डिसायड पण तुमी हांगा बसले कितें करपाक तिकीट विकपाक आनी हांगा बीजेपी कडेन डील करपाक तुका तेका हायकमांड परमिशन दिवं जावं सो यू आर नॉट डुईंग डील्स हियर टुडे there is a ruling party MLA's car outside Vishwajit Rane's house and why out of the 3 MLAs not one MLA went there Karapur
ओके
went or the Congress Vijay went so here what is happening
कमिंग टू द लास्ट रिजनल पार्टी ती आयज आहा म्हणटा ती आरजीपी मनोज परब आतां प्रेसिडेंट ना तुम्ही 2027 आरजीपीचे इलेक्शन कशें पळयता
it will be difficult even to keep Santander in their hands. It will be difficult.
पण आमी जर
Though Viresh, yes, what you said?
विरेश बोरकरचा परफॉर्मन्स एक
Yes,
statement
yes.
पळयलो जाल्यार
See,
it is
there are 2 things I will tell you, which I have learned in all these years of politics. Performance and development in the constituency doesn't give you votes. I don't want to give examples. Other you tell me, take Walpoi. 30 years chief minister. Walpoi should have been better than Panjim. But I got other constituencies I did not tell. Those people are up, made their souls rest in peace. I've got examples. So development and performance doesn't give you votes. Everybody knows that has become a theatre stage. Kala Academy, Ravindra Bhavan, Boro Actor Corps, that's it.
So how do you see RGB in 2027?
I told you, with the
कितली सिटां
president.
RGB काडटा?
Yes, सगळे कंटिन्यू झाले न्हू RGP. See, you cannot, at the eve of the election, when hardly 7 months, 8 months are left, have such a rift. You're not a party with that mass because you saw it what happened in Lok Sabha. No? The percentage came down. No? When Manoj Parab himself was a candidate. So where are you talking about now? It will be difficult unless he shifts gear, Viresh Borkar, for him to retain Santander. With all his performance, I am there. But that doesn't give you votes. Please understand this.
आता आमी रिफ्ट जे पळयतात आमी पळयला की अमित पालेकरान रिजायन केला फ्रॉम AAP मागीर मनोज परब आणि अमित पाटकराक काँग्रेसीन दिवलो इज दिस ऑल प्लॉटिंग पयलींच सेट आसता की हे अचानक घडता
I don't see that. My experience tells me.
Like election.
These are things now cannot be planned. It cannot be planned. This happens because there is also everybody thinks they are gods when they have power.
पण तीन जे पार्टीज आहात AAP चे लेजिस्लेटिव्ह असेंब्ली आहात काँग्रेस इज अ व्हेरी ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल पार्टी आणि RGP एक असो बदल जावा एक व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग रिजनल फ्रंट वी कॅन
No, that you will say if you say that BJP is playing tricks with him, they are free to play. That's part and parcel of the game. Every political party is trying to break from that fellow, this fellow. That is what everybody is talking about. दरम्यान आता त्याने 10 ब्लॉक केले टायर गोवा फॉरवर्डर कितें केला कितें करपाक ते 10 ब्लॉक
एक सीट दिता म्हणटा काँग्रेस
तेही दिनात आता ते प्रोसेस तोय ना तूं वच एकलो
सपोज देर इज नो अलायन्स अशें धरया आमी कोणूच करना अलायन्स गोवा फॉरवर्डी कोणाला अलायन्स करना RGP कोणाला अलायन्स करना जाल्यार तुमी 2027 सिनारियो कसो पळयता बीजेपी वर्सीस
बीजेपी जिंदाबाद
बीजेपी जिंदाबाद
It's open game for BJP. Then they played the cards. Because all I told you, no, regionalism. आपणा फायदो कितें आपणान कितें कन्वर्शन केलां गो फॉरवर्ड के पयशे कोण उडयतात पळय सरावली पळय कितें जालां तें आनी कितें जालां तें
आतां इंडिपेंडंट कैंडिडेट इज प्रिफर्ड or a regional party is
we'll
preferred.
have to watch.
No,
But
as an analyst, how you see?
As an analyst, I see we have to have money to go independent and big money.
Na position ala regional front join जावा.
Regional front, you have to join a national party according to me.
एक सांगतो कोण रे डेस्परेट आहे गुड बरे सोशल वर्क करता बरे लोकांक
ना ना social work I told you no performance social work चलना.
only you
It's a different ball game altogether. It cannot be
regional front
explained.
join जावा ना अशें
If it is destined by you by God, you will be an emirate, not because you are performing there. There are fellows who are not known here to the people who have entered the assembly. Performance magir mane. First you have to enter, no?
Yes.
Those who have entered, now you tell me your Patkar. Was he known? Did he got the ticket? Who gave him the ticket? Chodnekar. Why he gave him the ticket? जसं कोणाची आड हो बे आम्हाला फुड्यान ते खूप तो अध्यक्ष कहो जालो अगेन
so basically पयशे आसून चलना you have to join national front.
National Front is a good base because they have a base.
Regional गोंयान हेचे फुडें रिजनलाचो फ्युचर कितें आसलो
काय नाही लोक विश्वास काय आता कन्नडची पार्टी जिंकतली हांव बीजेपी व्हायला गुणपुंगा तालुका
सो एक तुम्ही आता एपिसोड आम्ही कन्क्लूड करच्या पयलीं हाव यू समरायज दिस एंटायर रिजनलिझम आणि जे
रिजनलिझम इज नॉट डेड दॅट गोंयकार पण लोक फुडयले आमी आणि लोक कळना ते नोबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड इन गोवा दिस इज ऑल टाइम पास पीपल ऑल्सो आर गोइंग एंड वोटिंग टाइम पास दे आर नॉट विथ दॅट ग्रेट होप समथिंग गोइंग टू हॅपन अरे चल यार दिस इज अ बेटर डेव्हल दॅन दॅट डेव्हल ही परिस्थिती आम्ही राष्ट्राक बुडत आहात मातसो उदकांत मातशी मजा करुया आनी मातसो खेळया तितून पुढच्या तन्ने बरें
पूण गोंयान जितले मुवमेंट जाल्ले आहात जितले लोकांनी आता आमी ओपिनियन करूच धरया सो खंय तरी असले चेंजीस गोंयान घडलेले आहात आनी खंय तरी रिजनल फ्रंट एक जॅक सिकेराचो ड्रीम
जॅक
बांदोडकराचो ड्रीम घेवन खंयली रिजन
those dreams were not that was the birth of democracy in Goa. People were trusting, and those type of Goans were a trusting Goan. They would open your house. There is no place to sleep. Nothing to sleep. Nobody wants to open your house.
प्रजन बाब खंय तरी मायग्रेशन गोंयान जाता म्हणून खंय तरी रिजनल फोर्सीस सोंपला.
Regional forces have allowed this migrant to come. If there was regionalism, there were a lot of laws that could have kept them in place.
पण 1970 उपरांत खंय तरी रिजनल पार्टी सोंपले आणि काँग्रेस सारख्या एक पार्टीन टेक ओव्हर केला ज्यांनी अलाव करूंक नासतले मायट बी की
No, Congress party is a national party. How can you go on that? It's not RGP. Migrant नहीं मांगते, वो नहीं मांगते. अरे you have got a government in Maharashtra, you got a government in Karnataka. What are you going to do? These people are not going to allow to come to Goa, and you are not going to stay in Bombay. Goans have passed had their daily bread by staying in Bombay, part of Maharashtra.
पूण गोंयाचो जो ज्योग्राफीक आमी पळयत आनी पॉप्युलेशन जर पळयत जाल्यार खंय तरी तुमकां दिसना की खंय तरी मायग्रेशन जाला म्हणून खंय तरी हे रिजनल पार्टी सोंपले आनी दे नॉट
No,
एबल टू
no, that could be that is minimal. If there was really regionalism, the migrants also will be. Everybody migrants know this, but therefore migrants are getting elected. No,
सो वॉट इज युअर मेसेज जे तीन रिजनल पार्टीज उरल्या तांकां मेसेज कितें तुजो
my message is that like a state in Goa is too small. Regional parties have failed the trust of the people of Goa, and henceforth you will have to stay with a stronger party who can withhold any pressures.
ह्याच्या पुढे रिजनल पार्टीची सरकार गोंयांत जावं शकतली
No, impossible.
इम्पॉसिबल इन्क्लुडिंग विजय सरदेसाय और
Impossible. Vijay Sardesai is struggling to survive. He is like a drowning man, clinging to anything he is getting.
सो हे आसले आमच्या वांगडा राजन बाब तेंच्यांनी आपलो जो पॉलिटिकल व्यू आहा अबाउट गोवन रिजनल फोर्स त्याच्या बद्दल उलयले प्लीज डू शेअर सबस्क्राईब अँड लाईक